Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to add your headphones LG tone-free fit to the application. So firstly we should pairing them with a phone. So open settings, go to Bluetooth. Now open the charging case. And it should enter to pairing mode automatically, and you can know it by this flashing LED light. It should flash blue. But if you don't want to, just press and hold on your left or right earbud for at least 5 seconds. So just press and hold. And now, as you can see, it starts flashing. Click on it at the device list. Cool. And now hide the settings. Open the application. Allow. While using app, deny. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!